Hey everyone, this is Mike from 30A. Angela and I are about to go island hopping through the Philippines for 5 weeks. There are over 7,000 islands in the Philippines. That's a whole lot of beaches, so we want to pack light. In fact, I've got everything I need here for 5 weeks in the Philippines, and I'm going to put it all into this one single Osprey carry-on bag. Here's how. Now that our kids are out of the house, off to school and enjoying their own careers, Angela and I love to go on exotic adventures. This year we're going to the Philippines for 5 weeks. We've never been there. We've been to almost 50 countries around the world, but the Philippines is still on our bucket list. So we have a lot of ground to cover because there are over 7,000 islands, tons of gloriously beautiful beaches, and we want to be prepared. We want to be prepared for jungle excursions. We got to be prepared for swimming and snorkeling. We've got to be prepared for a long flight over, and we want to document all of it with video that we're going to come back and share with you guys. So that means you have to carry a lot of equipment. Now, I will tell you that it's even easier for me to pack than it is for my wife, Angela. Her video will be coming out soon. So if you're interested in watching how Angela is going to pack everything into a single carry-on bag, stay tuned for that video. But I want to go through each and every item that I'm planning to take with us, and you can see why we chose it, and in some cases, the brand names that we went with. And then we're going to show you how everything fits into this bag. By the way, I'm not paid for any of these sponsorships. Well, except our 38 Beach Happy recycled apparel. I'm paid for that. The rest of it is just stuff that over time I've learned to like, and certain brands I've become attached to. So I'm going to start with this. This is a towel. Any Douglas Adams fan will tell you never go anywhere without a towel. Normally, I have not brought a towel, but I do believe we're going to be doing an extraordinary amount of water activities. This towel is absolutely huge. It is 40 by 72. And it's quick drying. I mean, this thing is massive. So you can use this not only to dry off, but you can also use it to carve out your little space of paradise on the beach and to sit on. So this thing is massive, but it's also very portable, very light, and very quick drying. So that's going with us. By the way, I should say I've got 7 days worth of clothes here. Pants, shorts, swimsuits, shirts, dress-up shirts, regular t-shirts. I'm going to show you all that. But one of the tips is you kind of get a freebie because whatever you're wearing on the plane goes with you too, right? It doesn't have to go in the bag. So for example, these BLUNDSTONE boots, which I've worn around the world a couple of times at this point, some of the best boots around. These are from Australia. I like them because they're slip-on, slip-off boots. So if you're having to take them off for airport security or something like that, these are easy to tag along. Also, some OLUKAI flip-flops. We're going to be in a very tropical climate, a lot of beaches, so you got to have some flip-flops. Something I'm pretty excited about because it's kind of new and cool. In fact, it's so new, the developers just dropped it off at our house the other day. Jen and Eric's. You know Jen and Eric's from Raw and Juicy here on 30A. They have invented this. This is called La Straw, and it is a reusable stainless straw kit because they have banned plastic straws on some islands in the Philippines. So if you go to, I think, Boracay and some of those places, they've actually eliminated one-use plastics from restaurants and hotels. So this is kind of a cool little kit where it comes with a cleaning pipe, and you can just slide these straws in there. There's something for the whole group, and it all fits into this nice little stainless compartment. Very super cool. Thank you, Jen. Also, this is new, and I saw my friend Jessie Taylor, a former 30A intern, showing off one of these on her Instagram stories the other day. This is a turtle pillow. And this is actually a travel pillow and neck brace. And basically, you've got a brace here. that enables you to sleep without your neck getting all cricked up. So one of the things I'm going to wear on the plane is my new 30A recycled hoodie. This hoodie is made from recycled plastic water bottles. It actually is made from about 24 recycled water bottles, and I'm going to wear that on the plane because even though we will be in a tropical climate when we get there, we are going to be doing some excursions up volcanoes and into some of the mountains, and it gets colder up there. So that's something I'll be wearing on the plane. Of course, you need to put all of your liquids into an approved, TSA-approved bag. So you can get these on Amazon for super cheap, or you can just use a Ziploc bag. But this ensures that you're in compliance. Just fits right into this top compartment on the Osprey pack, and you can pull it out real easy. My friends at YOLO board provided me with this rash guard because we're going to be out in the sun a lot. And even though it's January over there, you're down near the equator, and you can fry very quickly. And of course, these pants by Lululemon are incredibly lightweight. They roll up into very small, compact size, and they can truly take you anywhere. I wore these last year. We did 6 weeks in Southeast Asia. We went to Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam, Thailand, Hong Kong, and I was able to explore ancient ruins in Cambodia, and I was able to go to a 2-star Michelin restaurant, voted the #1 restaurant in Asia, the #7 restaurant in the world. Absolutely was able to wear these in there. So Lululemon pants, durable, great for outdoor activities, but also nice enough that you can wear into a 2-star Michelin restaurant. I also have some ex officio pants. These are super lightweight, lots of pockets, and they also have a zipper here right below the knee where you can take that off and convert both of these pairs into shorts. So you've got built-in shorts. All of this stuff is extremely fast drying. Got Lululemon shirts, same kind of thing. Very fast drying, very light, doesn't wrinkle. Same with our 30A recycled shirts. So these shirts are all made from plastic water bottles. Super light. Tons of beachy designs. We'll be carrying 3 or 4 of these as well. All my socks. We'll be carrying 2 additional pairs of shorts that also double as swimsuits. I also have some ex officio shirts. These are kind of, again, outdoor shirts, great for sun protection. Also have lots of pockets, good for just kind of a day on the boat or on the shore when you're trying to keep covered a little bit. Also, this is super cool. This is an ANKER recharger. So it has USB ports. We can recharge things like phones and cameras on the fly. This will recharge an iPhone very quickly, up to 7 times before this itself needs to be recharged. So this is portable energy that if you're essentially out on a boat or maybe the power goes out in the village you're in one day, this can recharge all your devices and you don't miss valuable time, valuable photos. And I'm also packing, I've had this forever, but a little shoulder sling bag. And the idea is I'm gonna put all of the camera stuff, water bottle, whatever in this. So I'm gonna pack this within this pack, but it's gonna be my day bag, right? So it's gonna be what I'm gonna take with me when we're gonna get on a motorcycle and go somewhere, or get on a boat and go somewhere. So now the real test. Will it all actually fit into this Osprey carry-on bag? There's only one way to find out. Let's do it. So, there you go. More accurately, here I go. We've got 7,000 islands to cover. We're going to be sharing our travel footage with you. All sorts of beach-happy destinations. I've even got my turtle travel pillow right here for easy access on the plane. And I've got my liquids, everything right here on the top for easy access. So, this is it. 5 weeks, here we come. And if you want to see how Angela tackles this unique challenge, stay tuned because we're going to have her video in a few days. You can subscribe now, or you can follow our Facebook page and and we'll share our travel tips as well as our beach happy adventures. Oh, it's a little heavy. All right, bye. See you soon.